Many friends have told me that they are often troubled by the rusting of metal materials. The traditional rust removal process is labor-intensive and not environmentally friendly. Today, I'd like to introduce a continuous cleaning machine. Please look at this machine. Continuous laser cleaning machines remove rust from the surface of metals by out-producing stable continuous lasers, restoring the original color of metals. They feature high power and fast efficiency, and are mainly used for large-scale rust removal treatments of large metal products and other heavy industries. This G-Fast22C continuous laser cleaning machine, by replacing the F800 focusing lens, can achieve a maximum cleaning width of 300 mm if it's for removing the floating rust. A 3 kW laser cleaning machine can remove 40 to 45 square meters per hour. If you also need a laser cleaning machine, please contact us for free. We would like to recommend a suitable configuration for you.